In this video, we'll walk through how to add a product. A product refers to a distinct device, model number, or product added into the system. Examples of a product would be software and hardware SKUs. Within the server example, the product would be the specific server from the manufacturer. You must create asset types and OEMs before creating a product, as these fields are prerequisites for the new product entries. To add a product, follow these steps. Navigate to Settings, Tools, and then go to Product. For individual product entry, you're going to want to click on Quick Add Modules, Add New Product. Then you're going to want to add a name. So in this example, I will put the Galaxy Book 3. And then for the OEM, I will choose Samsung. Asset type, I will choose laptop. And then I can put in a brief description here. Then when I'm done, I just hit save. When you're done saving the product, additional information can be added, including custom fields, which could be size, weight, list price, manufacture date, or any other information you would like to associate with the product. We're going to cover bulk product uploads in another video.